gorgeous day. It has been raining for 3 or 4 consecutive days, which is a little bit rare in Arizona. Since this is a gorgeous day, I figured I might just take a walk. So I'm gonna show you around. There are lots of places to sit down. You can walk around. There are some tennis courts and basketball courts. They also have a really nice play area for the young kids. And of course, there's lots of fishing. At the end of the video, I will have some pictures of the park as well as some of the rules that they have as far as how many fish you can take and what kind of fish and how big they have to be. My son Giorgio does fish here a lot, and usually he does get trout or bass. And over here they do shows in the open air, so I think my son is there. He looks like a stick from here. Hopefully he has a good catch today. I'll show you something that doesn't happen often here. It snowed in the mountains nearby. It was really cold this last few days. It rained a lot and we got snow on the mountains. So here you go. So it's a beautiful view. I had no idea this was going to be the view from here, so this is a nice surprise. And this are the Santan Mountains. My friend Brenda and I went there in November for a hike. If you want to watch the video, look up to the right and you will find the video there. Right here at the top of the hill, there is a very, very nice modern playground. There's some barbecue areas that I know that you can rent for parties, birthday parties, things like that. And there's a lot of open area all over the place, and there's tons and tons of parking. Enjoyed the tour of the park, and if you have little kids, they're gonna have fun. And if you have big kids that like to fish or walk or skate or bike or even take the dog out, this is a great place for them as well. I hope to see you here sometime, and until then, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care.